Okay guys, so this is going to be my first video about surveys. Now I did a little bit of research and I found this survey platform that allows Africans like myself to sign up easily on the platform and earn some cool cash by just answering a bunch of questions. Now, if you're interested in surveys and you want to earn some passive income, then this video is definitely for you. So subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update about surveys. Because I'm going to do more content about surveys and I'm going to put them on a playlist that you guys can watch and enjoy and get access to these surveys and then earn some passive income for yourselves. So now I want to briefly talk about this platform before I even get to the part where I introduce you guys to it. There are a couple things I noticed about the platform when I was using it personally. The first thing is when I completed the surveys, the points did not reflect in my account immediately. Like it took like some 10-15 minutes before it reflected in my account, which I think it should be much faster than that, because these survey platforms have to validate our answers and make sure that we are not providing like the wrong type of information for them, right? Yeah, before they give us our points, but it should have been faster than this. And the second thing I also want to point out that is the platform is only available to Android users. So if you're an iOS user, you're not going to get access to this platform, iOS. If you go on their website, there's a bunch of information about the survey platform over there, which leads me to like one of the things I like about the platform is that they are ISO certified, which means they have an international certificate and then they are legit, right? And the second thing I also liked about the platform is that it was really easy to create an account, sign up, and also add your payment details and even do your KYC and your verification, right? So these are like the things I liked and disliked about the platform. Okay, so I don't know about you, but let me know about your experience in the comment section when you sign up for the platform and you use it over time. So without wasting much time, let me show you guys the survey platform. Alright guys, so take your Android device, head over to your Play Store and download Saga Poll. After you have successfully downloaded it, open the app. Select your preferred language. Sign in with your Google account and check the box over there if you agree with the terms and conditions and the privacy policy as well. After signing up, now we need to complete our profile. Now go ahead and provide the information below: your date of birth, your gender, and your monthly household income. After providing all that information, tap on save. Now confirm your details, make sure everything over there is correct, and tap on confirm. Our profile has been successfully saved. Now let's continue. Okay, so now you can go ahead and start earning right away by clicking on the Earn Now button, and it will take you to the surveys and you can start doing them. But I decided to explore the app a bit, so I tapped on the Later button. Alright, so this platform is just like any other survey platform. So we need to complete our KYC and ID verification. So in order to do that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now under account, you will see administrative details. Tap on that. Over here, you need to enter your full legal name, enter your phone number, do a selfie verification, upload the front part of your national ID and the back part of your national ID as well. And last but not least, you enter your national ID card number. Now, if you're a Ghanaian user and you're watching me, you can go ahead and use your Ghana card, because that's what I use in this video and it worked for me. Now, for other African users who are watching me, I know for a fact that you definitely have like a national ID or a form of identity verification document that you have and you can use to verify your identity on this platform. So go ahead and use that. After providing all the necessary information, tap on the save button. When you tap on the save button, this pop-up will appear on your screen which says payment information saved successfully. When you reach 5,000 points, your profile will be validated. This can take up to 48 hours. You'll be able to redeem your points after this validation. That being said, I'll definitely do a follow-up video on this platform about how to redeem your points and have it sent to you through your preferred payment method. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you turn on the notifications so you don't miss that video too. Okay, so now we have been redirected back to the home page. Now let's add our payment method just to make sure that everything is set. So again, you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Under the account menu, this time we tap on payment accounts. On the payment accounts page, we have the opportunity to add our mobile money or our bank details. So whichever one is suitable for you, you can go ahead and fill out those details. So I'll go with the mobile money option. When I was adding my mobile money details, I noticed that they had MTN Ghana listed over there. And here in Ghana, we have like 3 mobile money providers. That's MTN, Telecel, and then AT. Now, when I tapped on the others button, it did not give me those 2 other options like Telecel and AT. So which means that it's only limited to MTN Momo. So if you're not an MTN user, I don't think you'll be able to get your payment details through this method. You probably have to go with the bank option. Yeah. So I'll select the MTN option because I have MTN mobile money, and then I'll enter my mobile money number. Okay, so I've successfully entered my details. Now I can save it, but take note of the disclaimer down there. Please note that Saga Poll cannot be held accountable for any mistakes regarding the information inserted on the administrative details. The user has the responsibility to provide the correct information. So make sure that every single detail you enter on the platform is correct and there are no mistakes. After cross-checking and making sure that everything is perfect, you can go ahead and save it. Okay, now if you navigate to the redeem your points page, as you can see, it says over here that when you redeem 5,000 points, you get 110 Ghana cedis. So I can't wait for this because I'm definitely going to log in and try to get as much points as possible, and then I'll redeem it and check if I'll be credited in my mobile money account. Alright, so now that we've set up everything else, let's try one of their surveys and see. So let's go with the first one. Okay, so when I finished the first survey, which was supposed to give me 25 points, I was not given the points like immediately. It did not reflect immediately. It took a while, like some few minutes before the points reflected in my account. So while I was waiting for it to reflect in my account, I decided to explore the rest of the other features they have, like their store visits, their product ratings, and then the lifestyle section. Okay, so if you notice at the top left corner, my points have been added. First it was 0, but now it's 25. So yeah, it takes a little while. I hope they'll work on this and then like they'll make it reflect instantly, because having to wait a little while, even though I know you have to validate the survey answers that you provide, but yeah, it should be a bit faster than this, but for now it isn't. I hope they really work on it so that it will be a bit faster than this. Alright, so if you watch the video from the beginning to the end, you should have access to your survey platform by now, and you should start earning some cool cash by now. So please share this video with someone else who is interested in participating in surveys and earning some cool cash, and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update. I'll see you guys again. Peace.